Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that has caught the attention of DIY enthusiasts and automotive lovers alike. The Rust-Oleum Turbo Spray Paint in Gloss Black. This product has been making waves for its durability and impressive finish, making it a top choice for both professionals and hobbyists. First, let's talk about what makes this spray paint so special. The Rust-Oleum Turbo Spray Paint is specifically formulated for automotive use, offering a high-quality finish that can withstand the rigors of the road. Its gloss black finish not only provides a sleek, modern look but also enhances the appearance of your vehicle, giving it that showroom shine. Applying this paint is a breeze. Thanks to its turbo spray technology, it delivers a smooth, even coat with minimal overspray. Users have praised how easy it is to control the nozzle, allowing for precision application whether you're working on a full car or just touching up a few spots. Another fantastic feature of this Rust-Oleum spray paint is its impressive durability. Once cured, it is fade-resistant, rust-resistant, and UV-resistant. This means your fresh coat will stand the test of time, keeping your project looking great for years to come. This is particularly important for automotive applications where exposure to the elements is a given. Now, let's touch on the coverage. With a 12-ounce can, you can expect to cover a significant area, which is perfect for larger projects. Depending on your technique and the surface being painted, one can is typically enough for a few touch-ups or a single coat on smaller components. For full vehicle repaints, you might want to stock up a bit. After using the Rust-Oleum Turbo Spray Paint, it's clear that it lives up to its reputation. The application is smooth, the finish is stunning, and the longevity is commendable. This makes it not just a product but a reliable partner for your painting projects. So, if you're looking for a spray paint that combines quality, durability, and ease of use, the Rust-Oleum Turbo Spray Paint in Gloss Black is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for automotive projects, crafts, and more, proving to be versatile enough for any DIY enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. Let us know in the comments what projects you're working on and if you've tried this product. Until next time, happy painting!